Hello everyone, welcome back to a brand new Tech Reviews and Gadgets episode where today we're reviewing a portable travel case for your gadgets, your accessories, and your electronics. And you guys are currently watching CrewElite. In today's episode, we're reviewing a travel case or organizer for your electronics from the company Syncwire. And this travel case is very beneficial if you have a lot of USB flash drives, USB hard drives, cables, or little, small electronics that you kind of want to keep tucked in a nice portable carrying case so that when you travel, you don't actually damage any of these different accessories and gadgets. So if you have a lot of small things that you take on the go with you, definitely take a look at this product. But before we actually get started with this Tech Reviews and Gadgets episode, make sure you guys go down below and hit that subscribe button and also turn on post notifications on to get updates and alerts when we do upload. Have any questions or concerns, leave a comment, enjoy the video, leave a like, and also share this video out to anybody who may be interested in some sort of travel case. And then also, if you guys actually want to check out this product or get more detailed specifications and parameters about it, that kind of stuff will be down below in the description for those who are interested, alongside with all the parameters and details if you're wanting to take a closer look at that kind of information. But right now, what we're going to do is actually move over to the first look and unboxing portion of this video. As you guys can see, the box is very presentable. There's a few specifications and details on the side of the box, which we are going to take a closer look at with a secondary camera angle. There's a visual representation of the actual travel case, and this is from the company Syncwire. Simple, superior, and reliable. And then on this side, you guys can see there's a bunch of features that this travel case actually has to offer. But now, what we're going to do is actually proceed with the unboxing. So I'm going to open up this flap and pull back a little bit, and you guys can see I'm kind of greeted with like a tissue wrapped kind of packaging. So let's kind of unwrap this, and this is how the travel case looks like. So it does say Syncwire in the middle, like it's kind of imprinted in the middle of this case, and the case itself is really rugged. There's a lot of durable protection with this case. I can definitely feel that there's a little bit of cushioning so that whatever you put inside this case, like let's say you accidentally drop this case, it's going to be protected and it's going to kind of give it some shock absorption so that, it doesn't damage the contents inside the case. But overall, I like the look of it. It has a really nice texture design. I also love this carrying strap so we can easily, just hold on to this and take this on the go really easily. We also got two zippers on the side. And what I'm going to do is actually open this up so we can take a look inside. So let's take a closer look at some of the contents that they included inside this travel case. So you guys can see on this side, we have like a nice little section. So you can easily, include stuff or put stuff inside this little sleeve right here. Same thing, there's another sleeve underneath that. So you can actually put stuff in there as well. And then on this side, you guys can see it's a very big open pocket with also another sleeve so the contents don't just, slide out when you open up this travel case. Inside this plastic bag, we have some accessories that they included. So right here, we actually have our user guide, and then we also got a product service card. Then we also have some cable ties. So this is what we can use to tie up some cables that we actually put inside this travel case. And then last but not least, they also included a nice little carabiner that we can actually attach onto this travel case. But right now, what we're gonna do is actually move over to the testing and demonstration portion of this video. So now what we're gonna do is actually just put in a few different accessories inside this travel case. I have a Western Digital hard drive right here, which what I'm gonna do is actually put inside this travel case. So we can put inside this side. You guys can see it fits nice and snug onto the side of our travel case. The next thing that we could try to put inside this travel case is I have a few different USB flash drives. So you guys can see I have some USB flash drives. And what we're going to do is actually put them inside this sleeve here so that, they're not going to, fly out or get lost. So the sleeve's going to basically stop that from happening. And then also inside the sleeve, I also have some of these batteries that I want to put inside here. So let's put some batteries in on this side. I also have some cables that I want to kind of manage and keep inside this charger, or a travel case, I should say. And for this, I think we could put it in here, but I kind of might need to slide it in a little bit. Kind of just insert that in. Make sure it's secure and not going anywhere. We also want to add our Western Digital USB cable that we utilized for, actually transferring data. So we definitely want to include that. For this cable though, if you wanted to, you can use one of these zip ties that they included so you can kind of wrap it up. But in my case, I'm just going to kind of just do this and slide it into this compartment as well. I have this battery for one of my cameras that I'm using. We can include that as well. And I'm just going to slide it in right here. So now we got everything kind of laid out nicely in this travel case. And now what I can do is, take the travel case, zip it up, close it up, and now I could pick it up and easily take this on the go. So you can put memory cards, you could put USB flash drives, you could put all your cables, your accessories, your hard drives, chargers and stuff into this travel case, and you can easily just pick up the travel case and take it on the go. So it's really nice. And I could set it down on the table, nothing's gonna happen. I can drop it, and it shouldn't, tumble or mess up any of the stuff that's inside because the padding is very secure with this travel case. So what we're gonna do right now is actually move over to the final thoughts and remarks and end off this video. So, what are my final opinions and remarks about this travel case from the company Syncwire? Well, it does a fantastic job of storing a lot of different accessories and gadgets that you may have laying around. You can put so many different types of accessories inside this travel case, and what I like about it is it's very durable, it's going to protect everything that's actually inside this case, and it's also going to kind of give you a nice little management and organization to those different things that you actually put inside of it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this tech and gadgets episode, and if you guys did, make sure you go down below and hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications on to get updates and alerts when we do upload. Have any questions or concerns, leave a comment. Enjoy the video, leave a like, and also share this video out to anybody who may be interested in some sort of travel case. Also, if you're a business or company wanting to potentially work with me, my business inquiries email is CrewElite@outlook.com. You guys can shoot me a message if you want to potentially work with me. Or if you need any photo assistance with this product, you guys can do so by contacting me through my business inquiries email. And then lastly, if you guys actually want to check out this product, get more details or specifications about it, that kind of stuff will be down below in the description for those who are interested, alongside with all the info and all the specifications and details if you guys are interested in taking a look at that kind of information. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this tech reviews and gadgets episode. I know I've been making it, and I'll see you guys all on the next episode. CrewElite signing off. Thank you guys all for watching, and have a good rest of your day.